and this is epicconfections. Today we are going to be doing Snapchat cake decorating. Yay! Today I'm going to be making a mermaid cake. Let's do it!
So to start, I melted down some white chocolate and started pouring it into this silicone mold that is shaped like seashells. And then I spread some more chocolate onto a cookie sheet. I swear it is clean, by the way. And just using my fork, I started spreading it out. And then using the prongs of the fork, I made this really cool design. And then put it into the freezer to set. When the chocolate was all set, I then put some luster dust on it and gingerly started dusting the chocolate. I then started popping out all of my little cute chocolate shells and giving them a coat of luster dust as well. Now you can't really see on camera, but it does give this white chocolate a nice pearlescent finish. I really love using this luster dust. Alright, let's make some cake.
To start, I baked off 4 9-inch round white cakes. I'm just going to level them out, fill them with buttercream, stack them up. Let's do it! Buttercream. It's just fantastic. I love it. Let's start icing.
Taking my really hot spatula, using a little bit of pressure and letting the turntable do the work, holding the spatula straight up and down, just smoothing out the edges of that buttercream. Yeah, rock on.
So just bringing in all that excess buttercream at the top, just taking my spatula and just dragging it into the middle of the cake. Just do it gingerly. There's no rush. There's no rush with this. I like spending time with y'all.
So next, I have some white and gold balls. Oh, that was a stupid move. So I'm just gonna pick my cake up, and just using my hand, I'm just going to put a little bit of the sprinkles on the base of the cake all the way around. Kind of making sure that they fall back into the bowl.
So I chose 3 really beautiful colors that I'm in love with, a mint green, a lavender, and an ivory. And I'm just going to start from the top of the cake and do a swooping motion of these decorative swirls. Let's do it! Decorative swirls, I went ahead and melted down some white chocolate. I'm going to put it in a disposable piping bag. And then we're going to do a little bit of drip on this side here. Let's do it.
And next, I just started randomly throwing those sprinkles on all of those decorative swirls. went nuts with the edible gold leaf, and then I started adding some gold disco dust.
Gold leaf down the decorative swirls. I think it looks incredible.
Now, that shit's expensive. So if you're doing this for your cousin or a family member, don't use that shit because it's expensive. So use that shit for a paying customer, okay?
I think it's very mermaid-esque. If I was a mermaid, this is how I would want my fancy tail to look. It's so fabulous. It's fabulous. Look at it. So next we're going to be adding some of those white chocolate shells to the cake and the background to the cake. And then I printed out this beautiful black and white mermaid, and we're going to be setting it on top like she's sitting on a rock. Let's do it. Mermaid cake. If you like what you saw, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this awesome Snapchat cake decorating video. If you like this video, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll do some more Snapchat videos. I think they're hilarious. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. I'll see you all next week.